And black cats and ravens are often associated with witches. We'll get to witches in a minute. But the next song is about the other one of those animal pairs, the ravens. Or in this case, they're called Corbies. This is a song called Twa Corbies. It's in Scots, so a bit of it might be a little tough to understand. The gist of the song is that two ravens are talking to each other while they're eating a dead knight in a field after a battle, and talking about how nobody's going to miss him. His dog's already gone hunting. His hawk's already abandoned him. His girlfriend's gotten somebody else, so nobody's looking for him. They can have a nice leisurely dinner. Super cheerful tune. We like this one a lot. I was walking over my lane, I spied Twa Corbies, they were making main. And ane and tae the other did say, oh, where will we gang, will we dine the day, oh? Where will we gang, will we dine the day? It's in a hind a yon old fell dyke, I what there lies a new sleigh night, and nobody kens that he lies there, oh, but his hawk is hound and his lady fair, oh. His hawk is hound and his lady fair. His hawk is tae the hunting game, his hound to bring all the wildfowl hame. His lady's ta'en another mate, oh, so we can mak our dinner sweet, oh. So we can mak our dinner sweet. You'll sit on his white house bane, and I'll pick out his bonny blue een, and we'll lock of his golden hair, oh, we'll thatch our nest, oh, when it grows bare, oh. We'll thatch our nest, oh, when it grows bare. There's money's a name now for him, Max Main, but nobody kens all where he has gained. Through his bare bones as they lie there, oh, the wind will blow I forevermore, oh. The wind will blow I forevermore. Thank you.